amount of time she waits, I'll be halfway